Hello, friends. I am Lily Gedin from Anand Rathi, and we are back with a weekly podcast episode with Mr. Nilesh Jain, Derivatives and Technical Analyst at Anand Rathi. Thank you, Nilesh, for joining in the podcast series to share your market outlook for the week. So, Nilesh, how are the markets looking on charts, and what are the momentum indicators indicating for the coming week?
Hi Lily. Well, the markets remained range bound throughout the week where Nifty started the week on a positive note and traded in a narrow range of 250 points. If you look at the broader structure for the Nifty, on the weekly scale couple of weeks back we saw Nifty formed a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern which is considered as a bearish reversal. So till the time Nifty doesn't take out the highs of that particular candle which is placed at 11,794, we can expect some consolidation. Hence traders are advised to stay hedged and avoid aggressive bet unless and until Nifty moves above the levels of 11,800. Nifty has also violated the rising trend line which was providing support and will now act as immediate resistance, currently placed at 11,700 levels. The immediate support for the Nifty index is placed at 11,460 levels, which is 21-day moving average, followed by previous swing low which is placed at 11,380. The momentum indicators and oscillators are very much in the buy mode on the weekly scale that indicates the overall broader undertone remains on the positive side. Overall, technically, we expect Nifty to oscillate in a broader range of 11,385 to 11,700 in the coming week. The broader markets have outperformed and still looking strong on charts, hence the defensive traders needs to adopt a stock specific approach from this particular space. The volatility index in the weeks again fell by 3% to end near 20 levels, and the overall cooling off in the volatility index is giving comfort to the bulls, and a further drop from here on will pull the index higher. Now if you look at the structure for the bank nifty, which fell for the third consecutive week and also underperformed compared to the nifty index, although it managed to defend 22,000 psychological support levels on the closing basis on Friday, which is the only positive sign for the bank nifty index. Any decisive breakdown below 22,000 levels will drag the bank nifty towards 21,400. So there are multiple resistance as well on the higher side, starting with 22,500 followed by 22,700. So the broader range for the bank nifty could be 21,400 to 22,700.
Ahead of the monthly FNO expiry for the September series, what are the derivatives data indicating?
Well, on the derivative front, looking at the monthly FNO expiry data, we may not see a bigger move. On the put side, we have multiple supports. 11,500 is the immediate strike where we have seen fresh addition on Friday, which hold the maximum open interest of 34 lakh contracts, which is also likely to act as immediate support in the coming week, followed by 11,300. A fresh call riding was also seen at 11,600 strike, which also holds the second highest open interest on the call side, which is likely to act as an immediate hurdle. Any breakout above 11,600 would trigger a fresh short covering rally, which may take Nifty towards the levels of 11,700. So the overall option band indicates that a broader range of 11,300 to 11,700 in the coming week. During Friday's sell-off, FIS covered a good amount of shorts in the index future and also added fresh longs. That indicates that they are not willing to give up so fast, and also the put call ratio, which is currently hovering at 1.40, that is looking stable now. So looking at overall data, we expect some sort of a range bound move in the coming expiry week.
Nilesh, you recommended Pharma Index in a previous couple of podcasts, which has outperformed last week. Now, which stocks and sectors are looking attractive?
Well, Lily, this sector of the week was Pharma Index, and we have continued to maintain our positive stance on Pharma Index, which has also reached our targets of 12,500. We had covered this particular sector in our almost all the podcasts that we have done so far. Now, as well, it looks positive for the upside levels of 13,000 to 13,300. We would like to reiterate our positive outlook in one of the pharma index heavyweight which has not done that well is Sun Pharma. is currently looking positive. It has taken support of a rising trend line and currently quoting near about 520. Still looks positive for the upside levels of 600. The major support is placed at 490. The another pharma counter is Divi's Lab, which has also provided a fresh breakout on Friday from a small consolidation zone. Currently, it is quoting near about 3340 levels. The upside possible levels are 3400. The immediate support is placed at 3300. From auto space, Mahindra and Mahindra, this counter has provided a fresh breakout. It looks positive for the upside levels of 700. The support is placed at 620. From defensive space, we like HAL, which is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It has formed a strong base, and the momentum indicators and oscillators have reached the oversold territory and showing signs of reversal. The stop loss should be placed near about 790. The upside levels, the targets that we are expecting is of 900 to 945. Lastly, just want to reiterate, we have maintained our positive outlook on broader indices as well, which has done well and also likely to do well going forward. So one should focus on that particular space. Thank you.
As always, thank you, Nilesh, for sharing your valuable inputs with us.